Ever find yourself juggling a million financial goals? College savings for the kids, a dream vacation, retirement, maybe even just a rainy day fund? And in the back of your mind, you're wondering, is there a way to organize all this without my brain turning into a spreadsheet? You've probably heard of M1 Finance, the platform that lets you build custom investment portfolios, or pies, as they call them. But here's the burning question: how many of these pies, how many accounts, can you actually have? See, we live in a world of financial complexity. We're not just saving for one thing anymore. We're managing multiple timelines, different risk tolerances, and frankly, we want control. We want to see our money working for us, but we also want it organized. We want to know exactly where our retirement funds are, separate from that down payment fund, separate from that just because splurge fund. And that's where M1 Finance comes into play, promising a customizable, automated investing experience. But if you're like me, you don't want to be limited. You want to know the boundaries before diving in. You want to know if this platform can truly handle the complexity of your financial life. So, let's cut to the chase. The answer, in its simplest form, is that M1 Finance allows you to have multiple accounts. But it's not quite as straightforward as a simple number. There are nuances, and that's what we're going to unpack today. First, let's talk about the types of accounts M1 Finance offers. You've got your standard individual taxable accounts, which are your go-to for general investing. Then, there are joint accounts, perfect for couples or anyone managing finances together. You've also got retirement accounts, like traditional IRAs, Roth IRAs, and SEP IRAs, which are crucial for long-term savings. And finally, you have trust accounts, which are used for more complex estate planning. Now, here's the key: you can have multiple accounts of each type. You're not limited to just one individual account or one retirement account. You can have several, and that's where the flexibility really shines. Let's say you're a parent. You might want a Roth IRA for yourself, a traditional IRA for your spouse, and a taxable account dedicated solely to your child's college fund. That's 3 accounts right there. But what if you're also saving for a down payment on a house? You could open another separate taxable account for that. And if you're a small business owner, you might want a SEP IRA in addition to your personal retirement accounts. You see, the beauty of M1 Finance is its ability to segment your finances. You can create different pies within each account, each representing a different goal or investment strategy. So, within your college fund taxable account, you could have a pie focused on growth stocks and another on more conservative ETFs. Within your retirement Roth IRA, you could have a pie with a long-term, diversified approach. This segmentation is incredibly powerful. It allows you to visualize your goals. Each account and pie represents a specific target, making it easier to track your progress. Manage risk. You can tailor the risk level of each account based on its purpose. Retirement accounts might be more conservative, while a taxable account for short-term goals could be more aggressive. Simplify tax management. Keeping different types of investments in separate accounts can make tax reporting easier. Maintain focus. By isolating different financial goals, you can avoid the mental clutter of trying to manage everything at once. However, there are a few things to keep in mind. While M1 Finance allows multiple accounts, it's essential to understand the implications of managing them. More accounts mean more to keep track of. You'll need to monitor each account's performance, rebalance your pies as needed, and stay on top of any tax implications. Also, remember that each account will have its own minimum balance requirements and potential fees. While M1 Finance is known for its low-cost structure, it's crucial to understand the fee schedule for each account type. Now, you might be wondering, why would I need so many accounts? Well, let's consider some scenarios. Multiple income streams. If you have a side hustle or multiple sources of income, you might want separate accounts to manage the investments from each source. Different time horizons. If you're saving for both short-term and long-term goals, you'll want accounts with different investment strategies. Tax optimization. Separating taxable and tax-advantaged accounts can help you minimize your tax burden. Estate planning. Trust accounts and joint accounts can be essential for estate planning purposes. Personalized strategies. You might want to experiment with different investment strategies in separate accounts without risking your entire portfolio. Essentially, M1 Finance's flexibility allows you to tailor your investing approach to your unique needs and circumstances. It empowers you to create a personalized financial ecosystem where each account serves a specific purpose. But it's not all rainbows and unicorns. You need to be organized. You need to be disciplined. You can't just open a bunch of accounts and forget about them. You need to actively manage them. Here's a quick checklist to help you manage multiple M1 Finance accounts. Define your goals. Clearly define the purpose of each account and the time horizon for each goal. Choose the right account type. Select the appropriate account type for each goal: individual, joint, retirement, trust. Create personalized pies. Build custom pies within each account that align with your investment strategy and risk tolerance. Monitor your performance. Regularly review your account performance and rebalance your pies as needed. Stay organized. Keep track of your account balances, transactions, and tax documents. Understand the fees. Familiarize yourself with the fee schedule for each account type. Consider automation. Utilize M1 Finance's automation features to streamline your investing process. Regularly review. Reassess your goals and investment strategies periodically to ensure they remain aligned with your financial situation. In essence, the number of M1 Finance accounts you can have is largely dependent on your individual needs and financial goals. The platform provides the flexibility to create multiple accounts, but it's up to you to manage them effectively. So, don't be afraid to create multiple accounts if it makes sense for your situation. Just remember to stay organized, monitor your performance, and understand the implications of managing multiple accounts. Remember, financial organization is key. M1 Finance gives you the tools, but you are the architect of your financial future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.